Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hi, my name is Karina. I am super excited to bring you a one brand makeup tutorial. I haven't done a video like this in a long time, okay? A long time. I was going through my videos trying to figure out what video I wanted to do, and I was like, oh my god, I haven't done a one brand tutorial in a hot minute. So today we are doing again a one brand makeup tutorial on LA Colors. Yes, girl. I went to Family Dollar. I forgot the name of the store, but I went out of my way to look for a freaking Family General. That's what it's called. I went on the hunt for some new LA Color stuff because I have a few of their products. I was just missing like a few items here and there. So we're also going to be putting them to the test. These products are crazy inexpensive. They're $5, $3, $2, $1, super inexpensive. So we're gonna see which ones are good, which ones are bad. We might find some hidden gems. We will see. So if you guys want to see a one brand tutorial using all LA colors, don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into the video. Okay, let's get started. I did want to mention that I didn't find a primer, so I think I'm going to skip that for today, even though I feel super weird because I have humongous craters, but we're going to see past it. Now, if you guys saw my last video, you guys know that I mentioned the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation. I have two shades that I actually mix. I'm going to mix the shade Cafe and the shade Golden Beige. This one is just a little too light and this one's just a little too dark. So I usually do about a pump each. I'm going to take this new little sponge by Juno. It's their Rosé foundation sponge. And this sponge is really good. And so is this foundation. I mean, do you guys see the coverage? It's like, boom, coverage right away. Boom, look at that. I love how beautiful this foundation is. I love the coverage on it too. For the price, you cannot complain. Let's move on to the concealer. I unfortunately was only able to find this one. This is in the shade medium. It's just called the Conceal It Cover and Correct Concealer. It kind of reminds me of the LA Girl. I'm just going to apply this generously because I have a feeling that this is not going to be like full coverage, and mama likes full coverage. Okay, well that blended really nice, and as you can see it is highlighting. Okay, now obviously this isn't giving me like whoa full coverage, and it is a little bit on the oily side. Pretty good job at like covering some of my dark circles, but it's definitely not full coverage. Now I wasn't able to find a setting powder, like an actual like baking powder. So what I did is I just picked up this little bronzing palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade, which is this like light vanilla shade. I'm gonna dip my sponge in, and we're gonna set. Let's do the brows while I let this bake. So unfortunately this is the only one that I was able to find in the shade dark brown, and it looks a little bit lighter. You guys know that I like my brows to be black to match my hair. I have extremely black hair. I am a little bit nervous. I am so used to like my pomades and you know like what I know. It also came with this little brush which I already bent. The little wand, this doesn't look too bad. This one actually doesn't look too bad because it is pretty thin. Do you guys see that? And I love brushes that are thin, so maybe she'll be a keeper. Okay, maybe I need more products. There we go. Okay, so you definitely have to be a little bit more generous with this pomade. I'm not mad at it. I am going to use my own little brush, which is this one, but I'm still going to use the pomade because the pomade is not bad. It's just a brush that wasn't allowing the application to go on too smooth. Yeah, you see? Now that I have this, I like the pomade. So there is one brow pretty much done. Now I have to like clean it up and make it a little bit more decent. But this brow pomade, seriously, it's not bad. If you guys are balling on a budget, pick this pomade up like with a good brush. You can definitely make this work. Now let's move on to the contour. I think I'm gonna take, ooh, I don't know. I'm gonna start by bronzing up my skin. I'm gonna take this shade right here. And I'm actually using some new brushes by Juno & Co. I posted about these on my Snapchat and my Instagram, and tons of you wanted to know if they were good. I've never tried them, so I guess we're going to try them now. Ooh. Okay, I had a feeling though that this palette was going to be like something that I would actually use. I think I'm mixing two colors at this point just to get a little bit more color payoff. I'm going to take this ES16 brush. I'm just going to buff out the powder that I laid. Wow. Also going to use this ES12, which is this pretty big brush, just so I can get more bronzer on my skin because that other brush is really small. Ooh, this bronzer is really not bad at all. It goes on pretty smooth. It's a little bit chalky, like a tiny bit, but the pigment is there. It's blending nicely. I'm not seeing like any patchiness or anything, so far so good. I have here two little blush palettes. This one is just the blush palette. This is what it looks like. I feel like this is the palette that I'm going to use though, because it has a little bit of those peach colors. And then I have this other one. This one has more pinks, and it has a few like blush toppers that are highlighters. And these are really not bad. I haven't used them, and it's not something that I would use. These colors are not me. But let's try these out. These really don't have much pigment to them. There we go. I dug into all four of them because these two colors, I think they're just too light. Let's move on to the highlighter. I guess I'm going to leave the eyes till the very end. This is, again, the LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder, which looks like this. It is gorgeous. Look at that. It looks blinding. It looks promising. Let's try it out. I don't have a brush from Juno & Co. for highlight, so I'm going to take this one by Up & Up is the brand. What? I knew it. I knew this highlighter was going to be... This is blinding. I think this was $2 if I'm correct. Oh, my skin is beaming. The very last thing that I'm going to test out is these eyeshadows. Now, I've had these for a while. This is the Holographic Palette eyeshadow in Holographic, I guess that's what it's called. This is the colorful palette. As you guys can see, it has really pretty, this mint shade right here is stunning. The purple, the blue, the green, they're pretty. This is the Nude Palette, which looks like this. This one has like your brown tones. Maybe I'll do brown and I'll dip my brush into one of these to kind of get the best of both worlds. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, I think I'm gonna take this shade right here, like this cool tone brown. I am really nervous, I don't know why. Now, of course, blending is totally a different thing. Once you blend the product, it can either just disappear or it can blend nice. So we're gonna see in 1 second. Do you guys see that right there? There's like a little patchiness going on, but the color's not bad. It really isn't. I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to pick up this shade right here. We might dig into the black, I'm not sure, but we're going to pick up this caramel shade. And I am just going to throw that right above the shadow that we just laid down. I remembered that I have these LA Colors Jelly Glam Metallic Eye Colors, which look like this. I think I'm going to go with this shade because it kind of goes with the tones that I have going on. Oh my god, you guys, I just opened my little jelly thing. This one is in the shade Makeup Junkie. Look at that. It's like all dried out. Damn it. Ah. You know what? Let me try and add a little bit of like a setting spray or something to see if I can revive them. Okay. Well, adding a little bit of setting spray actually helped. I am going to dig back into this colorful eyeshadow palette. I think I'm going to try this color. It's the one that is the most appealing. I am going to wet my brush one more time with the LA Girl or LA Colors setting spray. And I'm just going to pop that into the inner corner. I also bought a eyeliner. We're going to try it out because I feel like this look definitely needs an eyeliner. This one is just the liquid eyeliner in the shade black. It looks like this. That is extremely black. Wow. And then it dries down to a matte. I'm going to go back and apply some mascara. This is the Perfect Curve Volumizing Mascara. This is the only one that seemed pretty decent out of them all. I liked that it has this like curvy wand, so I'm just going to apply some to my lashes. Now I don't expect this to do much for my top lashes because they are non-existent. I'm going to move on to my lips. I think I'm going to apply some lashes at the very end. I wasn't able to find any lashes from LA Colors. They had other lashes, but they weren't the LA Colors. So what I'm going to do is I am going in with this Sultry Matte Liquid Lip Color. And then I also ended up picking up a lip gloss. This is called Dollface. This one looked a little too light, and I feel like this one's going to make it look a little bit better. So let's go in with the lip liner. Or the matte lipstick. Eek, this smells like paint. Oh yeah. This one smells good. Now to finish off the face, I'm going to take the setting spray. This is what it's called. It's just called a setting spray, and we're just going to set everything. Okay guys, I went ahead and popped on some lashes. I really don't know what lashes these are, but they're a little bit more on the natural side. They're not like as fluffy as I am used to. I don't know why. I feel like I look super tan. I don't know if it's a bronzer or the foundation, but I look bronze, and I'm okay with that. Anyway, that is it. That is the end of this one brand tutorial featuring all products by LA Colors. I really quickly just wanted to mention the products that really stood out to me. Obviously, the Strobing highlight in the shade Champagne. Oh my god, if you guys come across this, do not sleep on it. Pick it up. Pick another one up for you and your best friend because these are amazing. I also really enjoyed the pomade. It's not something that I would like use again because I have the ones that I like and that are a little bit better, plus it's not the color that I like, but again, it is a really good pomade. I mean, my brows look really good. I can't complain about that. I like it. I already have something that I like, you know? The foundation is a huge hit for me. I absolutely love this foundation. It is super mattifying, super long wearing, super full coverage, so it's a win. I also really love the Jelly Glam Metallic Eye Colors, which are the ones that I use all over my lid. Unfortunately, these, if you don't use them quickly, they will dry up on you. I have so many shades. This one is actually still in good condition, but some of them have dried up. I absolutely love the gloss. I am going to keep this in my gloss drawer and use it over and over again because I really like how my lips look. Also, the eyeliner is pretty good. I did notice from here, like in the inner corners, it started to crack a little bit, but I want to say it has to do with the shadow that I applied on my base or on my lid. And I also absolutely loved the contour palette. It is so good. I mean, it bronzed up my skin and it looks good. I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section down below what products were you most shook about, because I am so impressed and I'm so happy that I did this. Let me know what other one brand tutorials you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I'll see you chicas and chicos in my next video. Mwah! Bye!